So yo, what's up guys, and come back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to remove the hard disk of this laptop right here and put it into my PC, which is this one. So why I'm doing this, you may ask. First of all, I can, and second of all, I want to, so I'm just doing it. So without any further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, let's start by taking apart this laptop. So I have taken this laptop apart a couple of times. This right here has screwdriver and some clips to pry it open. So I'm just going to open this up and I'm going to unscrew everything. So let's start by unscrewing this. So now there are screws behind, like underneath these grips. So I'm just going to use one of these clips and there we go. Back panel. Oh shoot, I didn't take out the what is this broken stuff. I might be cooked. Anyways, I should take out the battery now. Finally, it came. Just going to put it here. Now we should be able to, yeah, great. Whew, that was a little scary. Now it's time for the hard drive to come out. It's time to put the hard disk in our PC. So I had bought these two SATA cables, well not actually two but one, but each SATA cable cost me around 71 rupees. So and I couldn't order a single one, so I had to purchase two, which costed me around 142 rupees. And these SATA cables are compatible with this hard drive, so I'm just going to check it if it's really working or not. Well, not working, but if it's fitting in the port. So this is how it looks. I'm just going to slide it in. So I'm just going to check this. If you see here, there's this small space. You have to align that with the space on the hard drive. So now I'm going to, okay, and there we go. With a little pressure, the SATA cable is now inside our hard drive. Now I'm just going to remove it and then open up my PC and put it there. I somehow managed to get the SATA power cable, and now I'm just going to plug in everything that's needed. So I'm just going to firstly plug the SATA power cable.